planning a Disney World vacation doesn't have to drain your savings, especially if you already have Capital One miles sitting in your account. With a few smart redemption strategies, you can turn those miles into a magical getaway. If you're a Capital One cardholder with miles to spend, you're sitting on a powerful tool that can significantly reduce your Disney vacation costs. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to redeem your Capital One miles to make your Disney dreams come true without breaking the bank. Capital One miles offer exceptional flexibility for Disney travel, making them one of my top recommendations for families planning a magical vacation. How to use Capital One miles for Disney park tickets. Here's the challenge. You cannot redeem Capital One miles for Disney World park tickets purchased directly at Disney.com because Disney purchases typically code as entertainment rather than travel. However, there are some workarounds that save you hundreds on tickets. The solution is to purchase Disney World park tickets from authorized third-party sellers like Undercover Tourist. Here's the step-by-step process. First, shop at authorized Disney ticket sellers that code as travel. Our top recommendation is Undercover Tourist. Second, make your purchase using your Capital One card. Third, log into your Capital One account within 90 days and apply miles to cover the purchase. Navigate to Redeem Rewards, find your ticket purchase, and apply miles. Your miles instantly offset your cost. Here's a real example. A family of 4 purchasing 4-day park hopper tickets that cost $2,400 can use 240,000 Capital One miles to completely cover the cost. That's the equivalent of 2 sign-up bonuses from the Venture X card. Disney World park tickets covered. Pro tip, stack savings with discounts. Authorized sellers like Undercover Tourist often offer tickets at 3 to 5% below Disney's price. This means your Capital One miles go even further when you combine them with these discounts. Using Capital One miles for Disney hotels. Here's the game changer. You can actually book Disney on-property hotels through Undercover Tourist. Here's exciting news that most Disney travelers don't know. You can book official Disney resort hotels through Undercover Tourist, and these purchases typically code as travel for Capital One's Purchase Eraser feature. Be sure to verify that your card does code as travel and cancel within the allotted cancellation period if it does not code as travel. How this works is simple. Visit Undercover Tourist's hotel booking section. Browse available Disney resort hotels, which are often at discounted rates. Book your on-property Disney hotel using your Capital One card. The charge will code as travel, not entertainment. Then use your Capital One miles to erase the purchase within 90 days. The benefits of this strategy are huge. You stay at official Disney resorts, not just partner hotels. You get all Disney resort perks like early entry, extended evening hours, and free transportation. You often get better rates than booking directly through Disney, and you can book hotel and ticket packages that all code as travel. The ultimate hack, Disney resort packages through Undercover Tourist. This is the strategy that changes everything for Capital One cardholders wanting to stay on Disney property. Why this works so well is simple. When you book a Disney resort hotel or package through Undercover Tourist, an authorized Disney seller, everything codes as travel. Hotels, tickets, and packages all code as travel. You get discounts, often 5 to 10% off Disney's direct prices. Full Disney perks are included, like early entry, extended hours, and free transportation. And the miles eraser is eligible. You redeem at 1 cent per mile for the entire purchase. Let me walk you through the step-by-step booking process. First, visit Undercover Tourist's hotel section. Second, select your Disney resort hotel. All official Disney properties are available. Third, choose tickets if booking a package to save even more. Fourth, pay with your Capital One card. Fifth, wait for the charge to post, usually 2 to 3 days. Sixth, log into your Capital One account. Seventh, navigate to cover travel purchases. Eighth, select your Undercover Tourist purchase. And finally, apply miles to erase all or part of the charge. Here's a real example of package savings. A 5-night stay at Disney's Port Orleans Resort plus 4-day tickets for a family of 4 costs $4,200 direct from Disney, where it codes as a mix of entertainment and hotel. Through Undercover Tourist, it's $3,900 and all codes as travel. Apply 390,000 Capital One miles, and it's free. Or apply 200,000 miles and pay only $1,900. This single strategy can save you thousands while staying at official Disney resorts. Other hotels near Disney World using Capital One miles. For the best bang for your miles, transferring miles to Capital One's hotel transfer partners offers better redemption value. Capital One is partnered with Wyndham Hotels and Choice Hotels. With Wyndham Hotels, you get a 1-to-1 transfer ratio. There are multiple Wyndham properties near Disney World, such as the Wyndham Lake Buena Vista. Many locations offer perks like free breakfast. With Choice Hotels, also a 1-to-1 transfer ratio, you'll find comfort suites and quality inn options near Disney. These typically include free breakfast and more budget-friendly options. You can also use the purchase eraser for other nearby hotels. For budget-conscious families, several Disney area hotels work great. If you can't decide on which hotel is best for your family, we have a Disney Hotel on Points database where you can filter and sort hotels available using points by your needs, like pet-friendly, square footage of the rooms, and bed types available. Link to our database is in the description. Best value properties include the Marriott Imperial Palms Villas, with spacious suites 10 to 15 minutes from parks. There's the Town Place Suites, Flamingo Crossings with free breakfast, and a new property. The Hyatt Place Lake Buena Vista offers shuttle service to parks, and the Hilton Orlando Lake Buena Vista provides good neighbor hotel benefits. The booking process is straightforward. Reserve through the hotel website or Capital One travel portal. Pay with your Capital One card. Apply miles as statement credit at 1 cent per mile, and save hundreds on accommodations. You can also book hotels through the Capital One travel portal, although this isn't the best value for your miles. If you are looking to stay at a hotel that is not a travel partner with Capital One, like Hilton or Marriott, then you may be better off opening a co-branded credit card with that hotel chain and using Capital One points to cover park tickets and flights to Orlando. We have a full guide to co-branded cards, link in the description. Maximizing Capital One miles through transfer partners. Capital One miles can be transferred to travel partners for potentially higher value than booking in the Capital One travel portal, though this requires more planning. For airline transfer partners for Orlando flights, Capital One partners with British Airways, JetBlue, and many other airlines for travel to Orlando. For hotel transfer partners near Disney, you have Wyndham Rewards with a 1-to-1 transfer and multiple properties near Disney World. These often provide great value for budget-conscious families. Choice Hotels also offers a 1-to-1 transfer with comfort suites and quality inn options, and free breakfast at most properties. Here's a transfer strategy example. Transfer 30,000 Capital One miles to Wyndham for 2 to 3 free nights at properties near Disney, saving $300 to $450 versus paying cash. Advanced strategies to supercharge your capital. 1 miles. First, double dip with gift cards. Purchase Disney gift cards at Top Cashback to receive 5% back that you can use for additional Disney gift cards. You can use these gift cards to offset other purchases like food, character dining, and purchases in the Disney parks. Link in the description for Top Cashback's sign-up bonus. Second, combine with other programs. Link Capital One to shopping portals for bonus miles. Use miles for flights and pay cash for discounted tickets. Transfer spouses' miles to consolidate balances. Third, time your redemptions strategically. Book hotels during off-peak seasons when cash rates are high, but point requirements stay flat. Watch for transfer bonuses to airline and hotel partners. Plan around Disney's ticket price increases, which usually happen in February and October. Tips for success with Capital One miles at Disney. Here's what you should do. Always book through Undercover Tourist for Disney World Resort hotels and tickets. Book packages when possible. Hotel Plus tickets together maximizes travel coding. Verify purchases code as travel before counting on miles redemption. Compare redemption values between statement credits and transfers. Stack with Undercover Tourist discounts for maximum savings, which is 5 to 10% off Disney prices. Plan ahead and accumulate miles 6 to 12 months before your trip. And consider multiple Capital One cards in your household for more bonuses. Comparing Capital One to other programs for Disney. Capital One versus Chase Ultimate Rewards. Capital One offers simpler redemption with fixed value. Chase has more transfer partners with potentially higher value. The winner for Disney? It's a tie. Both work well with different strategies. Capital One versus American Express. Capital One is better for statement credits on travel. Amex has more flexibility with PayPal integration. The winner for Disney is Amex by a small margin due to the PayPal option. We have full guides to Chase Rewards and Amex Rewards at points2magictravel.com, links in the description. The bottom line, Capital One Miles offer one of the most straightforward paths to an affordable Disney World vacation. Their simplicity and guaranteed value make them perfect for families who want to focus on the magic rather than complicated redemption charts. With the right strategy, your Capital One Miles can cover up to 100% of your Disney vacation costs. Whether you're redeeming for statement credits on undercover tourist purchases or maximizing value through transfer partners like Wyndham and Choice Hotels, Capital One provides the flexibility to create your perfect Disney experience. Remember, the key to success is understanding your redemption options and stacking strategies for maximum savings. Your magical Disney vacation is closer than you think, and your Capital One Miles are the key to unlocking it.